And then why did Melia hug Udidintle? How is he even gonna top up that trip to Paris? Tamelis, you are under pressure to prove yourself at this point. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Here we talk about Big Brother, and today our focus is Tameli versus Donnelly. This is fan wars. Which one of these has better fans? Let's just be honest here. Fans, both fans are better, but they have different characteristics and abilities that makes them different. I'll start with Tamelis. Tamelis, they're very aggressive in their approach. They defend the reputation of their brand. They defend with everything that they have in their bones. And another thing is that they are freaking loyal. I mean, each and every time they post or their own life together, they will be there cheering them, saying everything that they love about them. But the problem is that I think the Italians and the advocates are not in agreement with the Tamilis. So Tamilis have to fight both Italians and advocates, while on the other hand, they have to fight the daisies. Because what happened this week made it hard with Didi. And I think that was actually innocent because they were in the same house, guys, for 72 days. What do you mean that I will hate you when I meet you? I'll just pass you as if I don't know you? Hmm? No, well, let's just be honest at home. And I don't believe that Melly has feelings for Didi or Didi has feelings for Melly. It doesn't make sense to me. I don't know why the Italians, Tamilis were angry about this. I was like, okay, bruh, guys, we can be loyal, but our bond still needs to connect with friends. Remember that they will be attending events together in the same area, so they need to be cordial with each other, civil with each other, because sometimes they might be working for the same brand and they need to pay them rents. And the rents that it seems say, well, now you are working with Titi because Titi and Tandeka are in the different groups. So suit you. And again, when it comes to money wise, I believe that they have enough money to fund their guys, but not as much as Donnelly. Guys, I feel like Donnelly, they have the best working, passionate, grinding fans. What do we mean that we are going to Paris, all expenses paid by fans? Guys, Europe is not Mozambique, it's not Zimbabwe, it's not like it's not our neighboring country. That's two flights. I think you're gonna get a flight from South Africa to Dubai or to something like that, and you're gonna be paying around over 500,000. And you guys, where do you get that money? Please donate for me too. One thing about the Donnellys is that they don't love noise. They don't make noise. They work very hard. They just show us their hard work. They just come back and say, this is what we're gonna give. And Donnellys, they're not fighting the dons, they're not even fighting the nectars. They're working together, they're in sync with each other. They understand that both mother and father need to thrive so that this union will be much stronger. They get the concept of a relationship, that this relationship, for it to work, it needs both parties to be successful. And how can they be successful? If we support all of them together and push them forward. I don't know what if it falls off, how will it happen? But so far, I feel like they have the best fan base in the shippers. This is the best shippers. You can argue with me. I love the Tamelis, but the Donnellys are on different level. They're doing their thing on, with class. They're doing their thing with elegance, poise, demure. You know what I mean? And I love it for them. Hey, I do. I really do love it for them. But which one do you think is the best fan base? And give me your reason why you are saying this is the best fan base. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Guys, I'll see you next week. This was the worst week when it comes to uploading, but I had to do it anyway. Goodbye.